How to sign up Merrick Bank online banking account? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to sign up Merrick Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch any web browser on your device like Chrome, Safari or Firefox or any of those. For now, let's open Google Chrome on my device. When you open it, click the search bar at top of the screen. Type in the URL www.merrick.com. Then press enter on your keyboard. Then you will land on the official interface of Merrick Bank, where at the bottom left here you can see the login section. Simply what you need to do is when you scroll down you will see not enroll, sign up now option or the link. Click on it. Then you will get access to this enroll section or the sign up section where you have to enter your details exactly as they appear on your card, like your account number, date of birth and social security number. After you enter all your information, click the next button and here you have to fill in the 3 steps, and after you follow the 3 steps, you will successfully create or sign up into Merrick Bank online banking account. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.